video, I will be giving you a quick tutorial and walkthrough of the changes we've made to the payments workflow in the Bottomline PayModeX 4.0 release. As you can see, if you've logged into 4.0 for the first time, the new enhanced Bottomline user experience has been installed. You will see the enhanced dashboard with a new look and feel and experience around invoices and payments. As we mentioned, you can drill into any of these views and click on any of the circles and go directly to the payments pages, or click on them in the closed view and you will be taken to the payments page right from here as well. Now, if you look at the top here, you will see on the navigation, we also have payments that allow you to go directly to current payments, file release if you are a customer that has file release with PayModeX, or go look at unified payment search. Let's look at our current payments and learn more about the changes we've made. I've just clicked on current payments from payments and am taken to this view. You can see this is a very new experience compared to your prior experience on PayModeX for payments. We have listed here all your outgoing payments with quick action buttons, such as create a card if you have card payments, and make a payment if you want to make a manual payment. You can see there's an enhanced table that is listed here that has actions for approval, viewing, or rejection, DPA numbers that are clickable, vendor name, payment number, payer account number, and so on and so forth. You can pin certain columns, and this table will allow you to scroll against that pinned column for easy reference. As you can see, because I was in the 30-day view on the home page, I am brought to this table with that view. I can always close this view, toggle to a different view using my filter icon. You can see here on the top, we have different colored tabs. These tabs allow you to quickly get an understanding of all your outgoing payments that are in different status buckets. These are payments that are awaiting approval. These are payments in processed successfully, and in the exception status. You can also see the total amount that pertain to those buckets as well as the quantity. Clicking on make a payment or create a card will launch a familiar experience that you are already used to today. Nothing has changed there. On this table here, you're allowed to do bulk approvals as well, which will pull up a floating shelf that shows you the total amount of payments. You can also open this and see the different currencies or the different payment amounts. And then click approval, which will launch the two-factor authentication option of going ahead and choosing my phone number, remembering this method, and allowing me to enter the code that I just received on my phone. I can always choose to change this option if I don't want to receive a text message. I can go ahead and verify, which will tell me I have now approved 2 payments, and I can go ahead and view them or dismiss. Clicking on any of these tabs will show you the different status around the 30-day view, or you can go back and change the dates as well from the filter. You can see in this example here, there are many payments in process. You can see the total amount and the quantity. You can also see those that are processed successfully, as well as those in the exception status. All of these colors that you see on the tabs correspond to the experience that you see on the dashboard of the PayModeX 4.0 release. You will also see a familiar experience with our invoicing dashboard for those customers that do have invoicing. The experiences have been made consistent. Look at some of these payments. If you scroll over any of these, you will see an underline that allows you to either approve or drop down for rejection or viewing details. Clicking on the DPA number will take you to the payments page. The payments details page will allow you to see much more details of the payment and allowing you to approve and reject right from there. Let's look at the first one here. Clicking on that payment allowed me to view the payment details. As you can see, this page has been enhanced in the 4.0 release. You will see a new look and feel with new font sizes and colors throughout the page, as well as organization of the information. You will see right on the top, after the navigation, that you have an option to go back to the payments table or go see the details. The details list on the header here the payment number, the total amount, and quick action buttons around approval and rejection. You will see color-coded options for the status of the payment, as well as the payment method, network payment score, and many other options. This header section here can also be collapsed or expanded. The system will remember the option you've chosen each time you log in. Here you will see payment details, remit details, disperser information, collector information, and return amounts by payments, depending on the payment type. You will also see a history tab right from here, which will allow you to see the path the payment has taken till now and where you are in the approval flow. An example of a card payment. Here's how the card payment details page looks like. You can always scroll through and get information around payment details, authorization settlement records, starting ending balances, and remit information, all customizable as well. You can also see that we have the option to go back to the payments table, and you will see the status of this payment. This is an example payment that shows you the history of how the payment has taken in terms of path. That concludes the changes we've made to the payments workflows. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to our customer support and any of our representatives that are on standby to help you understand the changes that we've made to help enhance your experience with PayModeX.